beautiful, amazing source of life, but also very complex and also very fragile. What I'm describing to you is not these flowers, but female hormones. We see a lot of women come to our office with a lot of female health issues, whether it be infertility, hormone regularity, cycle imbalances, even thyroid issues affecting energy. We know these problems can affect not only how you feel, but also how you think and also how you interact with the people around you. If you're really looking for a better solution, come check out what we've done and be one of the testimonies how we can solve and get your body back into track. If you're really looking to bring out your inner beauty, how you know your body can function, how it's supposed to function without another drug, another hormone, Live Well Chiropractic is the one for you. Just swipe down to get some information. We'd love to reach out and talk to you and connect with you and give you more information about how we help out women turn into beautiful flowers again.